Hmm.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. Please take your seat. I am S.K. Srivastava. May I know your name, please?
I am Kapil Nebnani of class 11.
Okay, you are Kapil Nebnani. Okay, and you?
Sir, myself Kavish Mandloy, 11B.
Okay, so you are Kavish Mandloy. Okay, Kapil, what motivates you to study?
Sir, knowledge, gain knowledge about everything.
Okay, you want to gain knowledge, and this motivates you to study. Okay, it's good. Okay, Kavish, what is your hobby?
Some more hobbies, basically I am interested in playing football and cricket.
Okay, so how much time you are giving in your hobby?
Sir, I am regularly practicing 1 hour for football.
Regularly you are practicing for 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's good. So, Kapil, now you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, Kavish will ask you a question and then I will ask some more question. Would you like to begin, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So my topic is better to be alone than in a bad company. And we are born alone, we live alone, and we die alone. Only through our love and friendship we can create illusion for the moment that we are not alone. It is much better to be alone than in a bad company, because the company that you keep will reflect what you are. Bad companies can end up ruining a person. Usually it occurs in teenagers who incorporate bad habits from their friends, and teenagers can also add in the practice activities which are unhealthy, unwholesome, illegal, dishonest, or sometimes crimes. Once they are engaged in these activities, then these negative effects can last for long time or even for a lifetime. The company that you keep can determine what you are and what you do, and where will your life will proceed. So for your own well-being, it is better to avoid these friends and away from these bad companies.
Okay, thank you, Kapil. Kavish, would you like to ask some question?
Yes, sir. So my question to Kapil is, what do you think? What are the reasons why children are getting into bad company at an stage of youth?
In today's world, the children are being more encouraged that they should not follow any traffic rules or not not obey the police, and also the government hold on these laws are getting loose. So by these problems are arising, and children are more encouraging about it.
Means nowadays children are falling more in bad company, do you think?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Kavish, okay, you are going to tell us about your topic. When you have finished, okay, Kapil will ask you some question. Okay, so carry on. Would you like to speak?
Yes, sir. Today I would like to share with you views on cricket and religion, how cricket got developed. If we look at the history, in 13th century, cricket got its birth in England. With the main reason of the what was the development of the cricket and the spread of the cricket was colonialism, as the Britishers annexed countries like Caribbean countries, West Indies, Trinidad and Tobago, and one of the most important countries was India. We see that impact of cricket on these countries. Today cricket is very well played in India. If we look at cricket in history, we can see that by time cricket has got developed. We look at the sport equipments, they are developed. We look at the rules, they are developed. First there was 8 balls in an hour. Today there are 6 balls in an hour. One of the best example we can say of modernization in cricket is T20 cricket. 20 hours are played and the game is finished in approximately 3 hours or more. So we can say that yes, today cricket has got developed, and cricket can be socially welfare also for a country, as it unites a country. It does not discriminate any person. The only thing required is talent. So I think cricket is a way through which we can unite together and fight together. Thank you.
Okay, good. Kapil, would you like to ask something?
Yes, sir. Who was the first person to telecast the first cricket show on television?
Kapil, it was an Australian businessman named Kerry Packer.
Okay, Kavish, are there further changes is being made in cricket?
Yes, sir. Today we see there are some changes which are made, and in cricket, for example, third umpire is a very good example of changes.
Okay. So thank you, Kavish. Now let's go to the next task. I'm going to give you a card which has the information and the problem. Okay, you have to discuss among yourselves and give me the conclusion.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You are to work in pairs on a project that involves research on internet. Your project partner finds out that the classmates are trying to download and use the same materials. Discuss the value of respecting copyright and what problems could arise from disregarding copyright rules. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You just discuss and tell me the conclusion.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So you are ready with your discussion?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Discussion is over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So according to you, what is the conclusion?
Sir, first and the foremost thing in this case, students are copying the same project. This could harm and have bad effect on their skills. I would first inform the teacher that students are copying the project. What do you think, Kapil? How could it have a bad impact on their skills?
By these, the students will not develop their thinking skills, and the teachers should also understand and make aware of them about the copyright. And many cybercrime specialists are also there who can catch this fault.
Yes,
They-
Kapil. Today, copyright is a cyber crime. So, what do you think about the cyber crime expert today can do in order to restrict these kind of copywriting?
Cybercrime people are the people who go for deep study in cyber crimes. They can sometimes they can catch a person in a moment, and sometimes they can take a time for that.
Okay. So this is your conclusion.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We can-
Both of you agree with the conclusion?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's the end of your test. Thank you, Kapil. Thank you, Kavish.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.